Welcome back, everyone. We got another unboxing today. Electric spin scrubber by, well, LABIGO. It says it has some replaceable brush heads, and it's rechargeable, and it's got an extendable handle. We'll find out here in just a second. Well, that went pretty good. Came with a book, a real book. I'm not gonna go through this like I have before. You can read a book, but you can see it comes with the 4 heads. It comes with, this is number 14, it's a hook. Well, that looks like a hook. This is the scrubber head, which I imagine that's where the scrubbers go. There's where the plug goes in, so I'm assuming this is the top. It clips right in there. That clips right in there. This clips on. Push this button right here. And this is kind of weighty. Got some weight to it. Look at there. That's a little bit more agile. When I opened this up, I could see there's a green light. There's a light in here. Let's see if I can. There's a light, and then there's a plug. Of course, there's only one way to go the plug in, because there's a groove and a slot that goes in like that. That goes in the wall. That will be red while it's charging, and when it turns green, then it's fully charged. It's to take over, elbow grease. So if it's, if it's got built on, go ahead and squirt on your scrubbing bubbles or your Dawn or whatever. Let it soak a little bit, and then come hit it with this. Very neat. And these just pull off. And then there's a good hard one. And it's pretty nice. Still can't figure out where this hook goes. It didn't say anywhere in the book where the hook goes. How to use the hanging hook. This should be, you could install the hook on the bar or rod hanging on the power scrubber. So apparently you just force this dude on somehow, then you can hang it on something. That's all it says. That's pretty weird. Anyway, I'm happy with it. Of course, I haven't used it. See what the quick start guide says. Same thing as what we just covered. It shows you can use it in the sink, on the tile, on the grout, in the tub. Like I said, if you've got some built up, then go ahead and spray it first, and then hit it with the scrubber, rinse it off, hit it with the scrubber again. This does go from fairly short to fairly long, which I really do like. I could see even using this out on the car. This will reach way on out there. I'm happy with it. I will give it 5 stars. As always, thank you for watching.